JUNLEE Group is a global growing fast energy solutions company in the development, manufacturing and sales in battery systems for new energy storage. We use only the latest technologies to monitor and drive power to your products. For JUNLEE, research and development is just as important as breathing. We invest a lot of effort and resources to make sure the products that we sell to our customers can withstand the test of time. Creating sustainable energy products to help people with long-lasting energy storage, while providing innovative products and services. JUNLEE integrates the concept of sustainable development management into all aspects of its business operation, establishes a sustainable development management system, adheres to ethical and compliance management, and continuously strengthens and benefits our customers and society. Our mission is to innovate to enable customers' achievements. Power your life. Refine, honesty, strive, and innovate is the core value. We are a global approach to electrification. Contact JUNLEE to learn more about the varied solutions for each industry and how we can help you with individual needs. Let's build a better future for clean energy.